Hi everyone, it's Lily or Cool Rice Bunnies, and today I'm going to be doing my squishy collection video. I don't have a very large collection, but I have enough squishies that you guys requested for me to do this video. If you don't know what a squishy is, it's basically a soft foam collectible toy that's usually in the shape of a baked good or a character or a combination of the both, and people collect them. I'm going to be showing you guys one by one the squishies that I have in their packaging, and then at the end of the video I'm going to have clips of me squishing each squishy individually because I know you guys like seeing how soft they are, so I'm going to do that for you. Let's just get started with the collection. First, I have all four of the jumbo panda buns. So here is the boy one with the tongue, and this is what the back looks like, and they all have cell phone straps on them. So there's that one. I have the girl one with the pink bow, the regular boy one, and then this is the girl one with the red bow. And these are the jumbo sized one. I have 3 Hello Kitty jumbo donuts. So here is the pink one with the chocolate sauce and the sprinkles. Here is the tag. And this is what the back looks like in the packaging. I have the regular pink one with just sprinkles. Tag. And the back is the same. And then I have the chocolate one with white drizzle and sprinkles. And this is just what it looks like. I have all 4 of the Tutu Kawaii limited edition squishy toast. So here is Blob, pink ball chain, here is the tag, and then the strawberry tag is on every single one, and the bear in the back. This is crisscross, same as the other ones. Heart. And squiggle. So there are those toasts. I have one Sammy squishy, and this is the what is this called? The heart churro. And this is just what it looks like. I don't remember the name of this one. I have this Capybara Sun pancake squishy, and it's so cute because it has a little paper plate inside. Here's the back. I just have this King Biscuit mirror squishy, and it has a ball chain. I have this jumbo Donald Duck bun squishy, and there's the back. I have this Pie Chow, fresh cream Pie Chow one. And this is what it looks like out of the packaging. I have the Hello Kitty in a bunny costume squishy. Here is the tag, pink ball chain. Here is the back. And that's what it looks like. I have this line bear squishy. And I love this one. Here's what the back looks like. And then the tag opens up like this. And then lastly, I have this bear bun mirror. Has a ball chain and the mirror inside. And it's pink. So those are all of the squishies that I have, and now I'm going to show you guys them up close and individually and squishing them. So I hope you guys enjoy.